giving you something to work, giving you something you can feel, to let you know this beat is real. This beat is real. Get in my ass.
Nobody understand why I do what I do and why I am the way I am. I've been through a lot of shit with these females, man, but I know I'm not the only one. I tried committing, but I lost respect for women, so I call them all some bitches, cause they keep me in my feelings. I tried committing, but I lost respect for women, so I call them all some bitches, cause they keep me in my feelings. I tried committing, but...
Guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl B, and as you can see, I have hair on my head. Not just in here, I have full locks. Today I'm going to bring you a Valentine's Day look because it's almost here. Who doesn't love love? Everybody loves love. Love, love, everybody. Everybody loves love. Yeah, that's it. Everybody loves love. It's gonna do something kind of simple, but still like, damn girl, who is you? I mean, can I take you on a date for Valentine's Day? Yes or no? Yes or so. Just stay tuned. And
I tried committing, but I lost respect for women, so I call them all some bitches, cause they keep me in my feelings. I tried committing, but I lost respect for women, so I call them all some bitches, cause they keep me in my feelings. I tried committing, but I lost respect for women. I tried committing, but I lost respect for women. I tried committing, I lost respect for women. I call them all some bitches, cause they keep me in my feelings. Just don't get it. Man, I did everything you nothing major just to...
so I was just coming back to you because I wanted to do something different. I've never done this. I did this once and it was kind of a fail for me because I don't think I was doing it right. But I'm going to powder first and then I'm going to put my foundation on top of the powder once it settles in. Airspun. I'll probably put a picture in later, or I think you could probably see this. I'll probably just zoom in. Airspun, Walmart, $6. It's a loose powder. I used to use it to set under my eyes until I got my Sasha blood clip. So I'm just going to use a fluffy brush. This is a Real Techniques brush that I got in the set. It's like this one, and another one. I don't know. It's a while ago. I'm just going to go ahead and pick some up on my brush like that. I'm going to tap. Then I'm going to put some on the back of my hand. As you can see, it was a lot. Oh my gosh. And then I'm just going to press it where I want it to be, which is a little casket ready. And I'm pressing it. I'm not swiping it. I'm literally pressing it. That's it. That's it. And we're going to move into the eyes.
Call them all the bitches that you had me curve and toss aside and tell them you apologize. I tried committing, but I lost respect for women, so I call them all some bitches, cause they keep me in my feelings. I tried committing, but I lost respect for women, so I call them all some bitches, cause they keep me in my feelings. I tried committing, but I lost respect for women. I tried committing, but I lost respect for women. I tried committing, I lost respect for women. I call them all some bitches, cause they keep me in my feelings. I was only supposed to pray for you, but then I end up dating you. You told me, babe, I love you, and I swear I'm only gay for you. I should've kept it on some 50 Shades Gray with you. We in the same book, I ain't on the same page as you. Ain't no making up, I'm just trying to have my way with you. We ain't laying up, I ain't spending the whole day with you. I'm just entertaining you and doing shit that players do. So make amends and tell your friends, stay off my page.
Look bad or no? They look fine, right? Okay.
I tried committing, but I lost respect for women. I tried committing, but I lost respect for women. I tried committing, I lost respect for women. I call them all some bitches, cause they keep me in my feelings. If you think this song was about you, it probably was. My name is Sajel, and this is the beginning. Nobody understand why I do what I do and why I am the way I am. I've been through a lot of shit with these females, man, but I know I'm not the only one. I tried committing, but I lost respect for women, so I call them all some bitches, cause they keep me in my feelings. I tried committing, but I lost respect for women, so I call them all some bitches, cause they keep me in my feelings. I tried committing, but I lost respect for women. I tried committing, but I lost respect for women. I tried committing, I lost respect for women. I call them all some bitches. me up and drafted me. First came love, we talked about our marriage until I caught you slipping up. I caught you being careless, nigga. Fuck that baby carriage, had your voice tone, that's my ringer. You met the family, purchase something heavy for your finger. Nothing major, just a couple carrots, I'm embarrassed. Should I let you keep it? Nah, I think that I'ma wear it. Handed you a broken heart just for you to tear it. Feelings chilling on my sleeves, but I let you wear it. Kept you closer than the rib, so I was hoping you would spare them. Let me notify the people, like my status if you single. I tried committing, but I lost respect for women, so I call them all some bitches, cause they keep me in my feelings. I tried committing, but I lost respect for women, so I call them all some bitches, cause they keep me in my feelings. I tried committing, but I lost respect for women. I tried committing, but I lost respect for women. I tried committing, I lost respect for women. I call them all some bitches, cause they keep me in my feelings. Heard around, I hold it down, you fucked up or you lost it. And now you wanna pick up all them pieces, what we tossed it. Call it nigga you get caught with, cause I'm exhausted. I tied up all the strings and burnt them bridges when you crossed them. You so used to me just talking without no trust, it ain't gon' last. Like a fiend without no weed, like a car without no gas. Cross my heart and hope to die, I really hope you satisfied. The way my phone is set up, if you try to call, you get declined. Hurt don't last forever, all I need is space and time. Time is money, so you owe me since you wasted.
Hi. Oh, she's so pretty.
I did it.
Here, come here, so we can show the camera. Show it to him. What are you showing? Show the Barbie. The camera's up there, baby. Oh, you did that, girl. Yes. Okay, go sit down.
Bitches that you had me curve and toss aside and tell them you apologize. I tried committing, but I lost respect for women, so I call them all some bitches, cause they keep me in my feelings. I tried committing, but I lost respect for women, so I call them all some bitches, cause they keep me in my feelings. I tried committing, but I lost respect for women. I tried committing, but I lost respect for women. I tried committing, I lost respect for women. I call them all some bitches, cause they keep me in my feelings. I was only supposed to pray for you, but then I end up dating you. You told me, babe, I love you, and I swear I'm only gay for you. I should've kept it on some 50 Shades Gray with you. We in the same book, but I ain't on the same page as you. Ain't no making up, I'm just trying to have my way with you. We ain't laying up, and I ain't spending the whole day with you. I'm just entertaining you and doing shit that players do. So make amends and tell your friends, stay off my pages too. I tried committing, but I lost respect for women, so I call them all some bitches, cause they keep me in my feelings. I tried committing, but I lost respect for women, so I call them all some bitches, cause they keep me in my feelings. I tried committing, but I lost respect for women. I tried committing, but I lost respect for women. I tried committing, I lost respect for women. I call them all some bitches, cause they keep me in my feelings. If you think this song was about you, it probably was. My name is Sigel, and this is the beginning.
All she cares about is money in the city where she's from. Her intention is the paper, she don't need no freaking love. She's spilling all this liquor, trying to pass me all these cups. Oh baby girl, I'm torn, and somebody should have told her I pop one. Fuck it, I pop one. Oh girl, I'm on one. Fuck it, I pop one. I pop one.
You like clubs and they got that drink. It could be purple, it could be pink. Pen in the night, you mix that bitch. Money never got till we get that bitch. And now I'm on one. Yeah. You know I'm on one. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Oh yeah, yeah. Oh yes, oh yeah. Oh yeah,
now that my face is done, I have to figure out what lipstick I'm gonna wear. I have a MAC lipstick and then I have a dupe for the MAC lipstick, which I didn't realize was a dupe until I decided to do this video, right? I have Retro Matte Ruby Woo, the regular red, you know about it. And then I have the dupe, which is number 691 Rich Ruby, and it's a matte, and this is by Maybelline. And I promise these look like, once I put them on, they look alike. Like this one looks more red, but I don't know, like more light, I guess. I don't know, but I love both of them equally. Which one I want to put on? I think I'm just gonna go with an oldie but goodie and just do Ruby Woo. One time, you know, but I'm not gonna do that. Okay guys, so this is the final look. Did you like it? So if you like this video, be sure to thumbs up, and if you like me, subscribe, and if you like your friends, share it. Like, they need to see, you know, this bead. I need to share it with them. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye.